Hey guys, let's go. We're going to do an analysis on WHALECOM token. I'm not sure what is it about, but it doesn't matter. The chart is interesting to look at, and it's a way also to explain you how to use the Ichimoku, guys, because I know that some people don't really know how to use it or believe have some misconception about it. The cloud can help you a lot on many different things. You can absolutely trade only using it. There is absolutely no problem. So let's go. By the way, like and subscribe my video because it's free and it helps me to grow the channel, and because I take a lot of time for this. So if you could just like or even put a comment if you don't like my accent or whatever. But anyway, let's go for the chart analysis. I'm on the daily view now. I want to look for a cloud. The cloud is only forming now because this SSB here, the red line, is 26 period behind. This coin is too new to get straight away a cloud, but now it's forming, so it's a good news. We can see that it's a large cloud, and if we imagine that our SSB was above here, we could clearly say that we are inside the cloud now. And being inside the cloud on a large cloud means we can go all the way up here without any trouble, because nothing stops us in between, except some of the resistance that we can see from the past through our Tenkan or Kijun. This one is what we call a Kijun, and this one is a Tenkan. The Kijun is quite a strong resistance because it's also based on a long period of time, on the 26 period behind. So what we can see here, this kind of area, when it's very flat, it's a sort of level, right? So that's what we call a resistance. So we could imagine having some resistance on those area of the cloud. So here, let's go for another one. Up, let me put this quickly here on my quick tool here. So we got a resistance here. We have one here that we are now above. So this one, you can see we are playing it. We are above it. And we will have this as a resistance on our cloud. The SSB is quite strong. It's flat here. So when it's flat, super strong. So it means it's harder to get out. However, it doesn't mean we're not gonna get out. So you can see this one is very close to this one. So I will just suggest you, if you do the same as me on a daily time frame, to remove this. You don't want to have too many resistance and trend line. It's going to be very confusing. For the moment, on that way, we cannot really make any trend line here, because we really need to see this one to fall to be able to start to make sure that we have the hand of a trend, and it's not happening. So we don't have any hand of a trend here. It's bullish, so I'm not able to trace anything. So what I can see from the cloud and our resistance is now I'm open to go to here, to this resistance, to the next level here at 0.7395, guys. So that's one of them. And if we go above, then we're going to go for the SSB at 83.89. And then we can keep up. We will have another resistance here, and then all the way up to here, to where we started this chart. So let's go on the 4 hours and have a look, because 4 hours time frame will also give us some new information. The cloud is already forming since a while ago, 10th of July. So it's here. We are here. We can see that the cloud is far away. We have a twist here going on. Usually a twist drags us inside, but it's not a clear twist. It's a very long period of time. So we can clearly see we are not heading into it at the moment. And our lagging here, important to look at the lagging, guys. The lagging also tells us some resistance, and we don't have any, not at least up to here. So the 73.95. So at the moment we are free to go with the lagging. If we go down again, if we're going on a bearish trend, then we will have this here going to give us it's going to give us some trouble. Let me just put the displacement here at 27, because if it's not, we got an issue. I explained this on other videos, so watch my other video, especially the Bitcoin video, which is 20 minutes long, explaining everything about Bitcoin and the pure analysis. So anyway, we have this resistance that will give us trouble with lagging. So if we're going down, we will have resistance going on here at 51.50. So that's a good news. We have our Kijun here, Tenkan, that is under and not far away from our chart, so it's also giving us resistance if we go lower, and our Kijun that's very far away, and that's also another big resistance, but we are not playing with it at the moment on a 4 hours time frame. This candle here will be completed in about 2 hours. Let's go on a 1 hour time frame now. The 2 hours time frame is kind of useless, so I never use it, and I don't. Yeah, you can have a look, but I'm not recommending you to waste time too much with a 2 hours time frame. The 1 and 4 hours are the best for that, for the analysis. And you can go lower up to a 5 minutes time frame if you want. On a 1 hour time frame, but there is not much to say. The cloud is still far away. Our Tenkan is going to give us support here if we're going lower than where we are at the moment, and we still have a lot of space to go, so we are clearly in a bullish trend here, guys. I'm going to go on a 30 minutes time frame just for fun. Okay, nothing to say. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah, nothing to say. Clearly bullish, bullish as hell. So there is some money to make around here. You guys watch out when we reach this level 73.95 and then 83.89. That's where we're going to go mental. All right, guys, I think that's all. Like and subscribe. Watch the videos about that I do every week about Bitcoin, because I do a pure analysis. And remember, Bitcoin influences all altcoins, and this one is part of the altcoins. So when Bitcoin goes well, your altcoins are going well. It's a fact. Bitcoin is like the gold. And there is other important things to look at when you look at Bitcoins to find out the main trend of all the weekly trend or the daily trend. So watch this video, it's very interesting, and you will learn more about how to use and look at the Ichimoku. So I will recommend you to watch it. All right, guys, see you. I put you some music that I made by myself. So just for that, like and subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye bye bye.